Namaskaram, I am Dr. Tejasvi, consultant neurologist at Onus Robotic Hospital. During stroke, every minute around 2 million neuron cells are lost. Your brain doesn't wait for anybody, then why should you? So now imagine this. During stroke, instead of you rushing to the hospital comes to you. So this is what our Stroke Care on Wheels is all about. A fully equipped medical emergency unit with neuro-monitoring, clot-busting technology and tele-neurology support to save brains on the way to the hospital. Because during stroke, it is not how fast or how close you are, it is how fast the right treatment is going to the brain. So next time if you notice the facial weakness, an arm weakness or a slurring of speech, don't wait, don't Google, call our Stroke Care on Wheels. So remember, time is brain and this golden hour is a golden opportunity to save brains. Thank you.
Your recovery is on us.